Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been editing your WordPress site and felt like the tools are scattered all over the place, today's video is going to change that. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to add and enable the top toolbar in WordPress, a simple tweak that can seriously improve your editing workflow. Whether you're new to WordPress or just want a cleaner workspace, this trick will make your life easier. So let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to the WordPress homepage. In the top right corner, you'll see the Log In button. Go ahead and click on that. Next, instead of entering your credentials manually, choose Continue with Google. This is the fastest and most secure way to log in, and it saves you time if your WordPress account is linked to Google. Once prompted, just pick the Google account you want to use, and you're in. After logging in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. From here, scroll down to the Quick Links section and click Edit Site. This will take you directly into the WordPress site editor, where all the customization happens. Now that you're inside the editor, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a three-dot menu. Click on that to open your editor options. Then select Preferences. This is where you can control how your editor looks and behaves. Inside the Preferences panel, find and click on Appearance. Here, you'll see several layout options that can make your editing experience smoother. What you want to do is locate the option that says Top Toolbar, simply toggle it on, and you're done. With the Top Toolbar enabled, all your block and formatting tools will now appear in a single bar at the top of your editor instead of floating around near each block. This keeps your workspace clean, helps you stay focused, and makes navigation between elements so much faster. You'll instantly notice that editing feels more organized. No more chasing down toolbars all over the screen. It's a small change, but it dramatically improves your workflow, especially if you edit content regularly. And that's it. You've just learned how to enable the top toolbar in WordPress, the quick, easy, and effective way to streamline your site editing. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more WordPress and website building tutorials, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.